Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Chrome SSL protocol error. So this is just a very pretty simple problem that can be fixed. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type Internet Options. Then you have to click on the internet options under the best match control panel. Then the internet properties window will appear. Now you have to simply put this at the center. Then here you'll find the general security, privacy, content, connections, programs, and the advanced tab. You have to click on the content tab, and here you'll find this option clear SSL state. Simply click on that. Then click on OK. Then you have to click on the advanced tab. Scroll down and you'll find these options. Just simply scroll down. This one, use SSL 3.0. Simply check this. And for the TLS, you can also check this once right here, but make sure and do not forget to check this box. Use SSL 3.0. Okay, so that's it. Then you just have to simply click on apply, click on OK, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And right after that, the Chrome issue ERR SSL protocol error will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.